Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. Generative AI Solution Market. According to a report by GMI, the global generative AI solution market was valued at $18.6 billion in 2024 and is estimated to grow at 25.2% CAGR from 2025 to 2034. The market is expected to cross $185.6 billion valuation by 2034. Rising enterprise demand for automation and efficiency, hyper-personalization in marketing and customer experience, and cloud availability and strategic partnerships are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on deployment, the cloud-based solution segment was valued at around $8.7 billion in 2024. Considering application, the content creation and marketing segment held 33% of the market share in 2024. Regionally, U.S. dominated the North American generative AI solution market with around $5 billion revenue in 2024. Key players in the generative AI solution market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.